Now, what is the best model? Till now, according to our understanding, the model with highest accuracy and the least error is the best model. The model that uses maximum information available in the given data is the best model, or the model that has minimum squared error. If it is regression case, the predictions need to be as near as possible to the actual values, or the model that captures all the hidden patterns in the data is the actual very good model, or the model produces best prediction results is the best model. Imagine that we have multiple models, model 1, 2, 3 on the same data using different techniques. How to choose the best model? Now we need to be a little careful here. The error on the training data is not a good measure of performance on the future data. What do we mean by future data? The unknown data. Model is built on a certain data set, given data set. A good model, we are always measuring its goodness of fit on the given data set. Now that might not be a good measure all the time. What do we exactly mean by that? So the data set that we use for model building is the training data set, and till now we have been looking at training error only. We need to actually look at some other error also called test error or holdout sample error. What is test data set? What is test error? What is holdout data set? What is holdout error? So what exactly is the most accurate model, and how do we see it? What is the different measure that we also need to consider apart from the training error? So let us look at an example of the most accurate model and where exactly it fails in satisfying the condition of test error.